What if I told you that the most healing food in the world isn't found in any pharmacy? It's found in the simplest bowls of soup, stew, broth, ancient warmth. The kind your ancestors made for thousands of years, the kind that healed the sick, rettered the weary, brought the dying back to life. Most people don't know this, While we're taking expensive medications, there's a tradition written in Scripture that shows exactly how to heal through food. 20 biblical stews, each one mentioned in Scripture as medicine. Each one you can make in your own kitchen today. Today, I'm going to show you 20 stews from the Bible that have been healing people for millennia. Stick around, because number 17 on this list was eaten by Elisha the prophet and gave him supernatural strength. And number 20 was served to Jesus himself before his crucifixion. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, because we post new videos every week showing you how to turn your kitchen into a healing sanctuary, where food becomes medicine and medicine becomes tradition. So let's get into it. Here are 20 biblical stews that will heal you instantly, ranked from easiest to most powerful. Number 1. Lentil stew, the ancient foundation of healing. Lentils appear throughout Scripture as the food of survival and restoration. In Genesis 25:34, Esau traded his birthright for a bowl of red lentil stew. Think about that, a birthright. For a bowl of soup, this wasn't casual food. This was power. Lentil stew is one of the easiest healing foods to make. Dried lentils are affordable, stable, and packed with protein and fiber. Soak lentils overnight or cook them fresh with water and salt. Add vegetables like onions, carrots, celery. Simmer for 30 to 40 minutes until soft. The minerals in lentils support digestion and stabilize blood sugar. The fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria. The protein builds strength when you're weak. For someone healing from illness, lentil stew is foundational medicine. It's warm, it's nourishing, it's gentle on the digestive system. One bowl of lentil stew provides hours of sustained energy. It's the stew that sustained biblical heroes, and it will sustain you. Number 2. Barley stew, the grain of endurance. Barley is mentioned 33 times in Scripture. From the loaves Jesus used to feed thousands to the porridge given to prisoners, barley stew is the food of survival. Barley contains beta-glucans that strengthen immunity. Cook barley with water, let it simmer slowly, add mushrooms, onions, herbs like thyme. Simmer for an hour until the barley breaks down into soft grains. The long cooking time extracts mineral-rich broth. The resulting stew is thick, warm, incredibly nourishing. Barley stew was eaten by soldiers before battle. It provided sustained energy for hours of physical exertion. It was eaten by the ill to restore strength. It was eaten by the poor because it cost almost nothing. One bowl of barley stew contains more healing power than most modern supplements. Number 3. Pottage of herbs, the green medicine bowl. In 2 Kings 4:39, the prophet's wife gathered wild herbs and made pottage, green herb stew, medicine from the garden. Fresh herbs like parsley, dill, cilantro, mint, basil, combined with broth and vegetables. Simmered until soft. The chlorophyll in green herbs alkalizes the body, reduces inflammation, supports liver function, aids digestion. Green pottage tastes fresh and alive. The flavor is bright. The effect is immediate. People often report feeling better within minutes of eating herb pottage. Energy returns, clarity returns. The body remembers what medicine tastes like. Number 4. Garlic and onion stew, the antimicrobial fortress. When Israelites complained in the wilderness about missing Egyptian food, Numbers 11:5 specifically mentions garlic. Garlic was the medicine of the ancient world. Roast entire bulbs of garlic until soft, cocoine with caramelized onions, broth, and bread. The slow roasting transforms garlic's harsh bite into sweet golden medicine. The onions become almost candy-like. Together, they create an incredibly healing stew. Garlic reduces blood pressure. Strengthens immunity. Kills pathogens directly. Onions support cardiovascular health. Together, they create the antimicrobial fortress stew. One bowl can knock out the beginning stages of illness before it takes hold. Number 5. Bone broth stew. The mineral elixir. Scripture doesn't explicitly command bone broth, but the principle is everywhere. Bones simmered for days, extracting every mineral, every nutrient, every molecule of healing. Simmer bones for 24 to 72 hours, low heat powdered extraction. The resulting broth is liquid gold. Collagen rebuilds joints. Gelatin heals the gut lining. Minerals rebuild bones and teeth. Amino acids rebuild tissue. Bone broth stew is the foundation of all other stews. Add vegetables to broth. Add meat. Add herbs. The base remains this mineral-rich liquid. Cultures that consumed bone broth had stronger bones, healthier joints, more youthful skin. One bowl of bone broth stew begins rebuilding your body at the cellular level. Number 6. Lentil and spinach stew. The blood builder. Iron-rich lentils combined with iron-rich spinach, green and hearty, perfect for building strength when you're anemic or weak. Cook lentils until soft. Add fresh spinach in the final minutes. The heat wilts the spinach, preserves its nutrients, creates a stew that looks like emerald medicine. The iron in both vegetables bioavailable and easily absorbed. The taste is earthy and satisfying. This stew was traditionally eaten by women after childbirth, to rebuild blood lost during delivery, to restore strength depleted by giving life. One bowl of lentil and spinach stew begins the rebuilding process. Energy returns. Color returns to the face. Weakness gradually becomes strength. Number 7. Chickpea stew. The protein miracle. Chickpeas are mentioned in Scripture as filling food for the poor and the powerful alike. Affordable protein that sustained entire civilizations. Soak chickpeas overnight. Cook until soft. Add tomatoes, spices like cumin and coriander, onions and garlic. Simmer until flavors meld. The resulting stew is thick, satisfying, complete protein. Contains all amino acids needed for tissue repair. Chickpea stew was eaten by soldiers, by laborers, by nursing mothers, or by the recovering ill. It provided complete nutrition in a single bowl. Modern nutritionists call it a superfood. Scripture calls it survival and strength. One bowl rebuilds whatever your body needs rebuilt. Number 8. Fennel and anise stew. The digestive healer. Fennel seeds appear in Scripture as digestive medicine, anise as aromatic healing. Together in stew, they create remarkable digestive support. Toast fennel and anise seeds lightly. Add to vegetable broth with soft vegetables. The aromatic oils released by heat create a stew that smells like medicine. The taste is warm and slightly sweet. Fennel reduces bloating and gas. Anise settles the stomach. Together they calm digestive distress almost immediately. People with chronic digestive issues report relief within one bowl. The stew becomes a regular part of healing protocol. Number 9. Mushroom stew. The immune amplifier. Mushrooms appear throughout Scripture as mysterious, powerful food. Growing in darkness, containing compounds modern science is only beginning to understand. Combine shiitake, maitake, oyster, cremini mushrooms. Cook slowly in broth with herbs. The slow cooking extracts beta-glucans, polysaccharides, immune-modulating compounds. The stew becomes dark, rich, deeply healing. Mushroom stew amplifies immune response, strengthens the barrier against infection, helps the body recognize and eliminate cancer cells. 4. Restores energy in the deeply fatigued. 1 bowl of mushroom stew sends a signal to your immune system. Time to wake up. Time to remember your power. Number 10. Turmeric and ginger stew. 4. The inflammation eraser. Turmeric and ginger aren't explicitly mentioned in the Bible, but the principle of spice as medicine saturates Scripture. 4. These two create the most powerful anti-inflammatory stew possible. Fresh ginger root grated into broth, fresh turmeric root or powder added, black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption. 4. Coconut milk for richness, slow simmering for 20 minutes. The resulting stew is golden, warm, deeply anti-inflammatory. Turmeric reduces systemic inflammation. Ginger stops pain at the source. 4. Together, they're stronger than most pharmaceutical anti-inflammatories. Without the side effects, 1 bowl of turmeric and ginger stew begins dissolving chronic pain. Swelling decreases. 4. Movement becomes easier. Life becomes possible again. Number 11. Red lentil soup with pomegranate, the antioxidant fortress. Red lentil stew becomes medicine when combined with pomegranate. The deep red color indicates massive antioxidant content. Cook red lentils until they break down into creamy consistency. 4. Add pomegranate juice and pomegranate arils. The tartness of pomegranate balances the earthiness of lentils. Creates a stew that's both hearty and bright. 4. Pomegranate contains polyphenols that protect cellular health. Lentils provide sustaining protein. Together, they create the antioxidant fortress, protecting cells from oxidative damage. 4. Supporting cardiovascular health, fighting age-related decline. 1 bowl begins cellular protection. Number 12. Cleansing vegetable stew, the body reset button. 2. Combine seasonal vegetables with herbs like cilantro and parsley. Gak Kate, a stew designed for detoxification. Cilantro binds heavy metals. Parsley supports liver function. 4. Vegetables provide fiber and nutrients. The stew tastes light but deeply healing. People often report feeling lighter, clearer, more energized after eating cleansing vegetable stew. 4. The body's detoxification systems activate. Toxins begin moving out. Cellular function improves. Number 13. White bean and kale stew, the calcium fortress. 4. Kale is the calcium powerhouse. White beans add protein and minerals. Together they create a stew that rebuilds bone and teeth. Combine white beans, fresh kale, garlic, onion, broth, or simmer until kale becomes tender. The stew is hearty, satisfying, deeply mineral-rich. 1 bowl provides more bioavailable calcium than most dairy products, without the inflammatory effects. 4. Bones strengthen, teeth solidify, nails become strong. Number 14. Tomato and herb stew, the heart healer. Tomatoes contain lycopene that protects the heart. 4. Herbs like basil support circulation. Together, they create cardiovascular medicine in a bowl. Fresh tomatoes simmered with fresh basil, garlic, onion. 4. The natural acidity of tomatoes activates minerals. The aroma fills the kitchen with healing intention. 1 bowl supports heart health, reduces blood pressure, improves circulation. 4. Strengthens the organ that gives us life. Number 15. Squash and sage stew, the hormone balancer. Squash provides minerals that support hormonal health. 4. Sage has been used for thousands of years to balance hormones. Together, they create stew that restores hormonal equilibrium. Roast squash until soft, kind with fresh sage, onion, broth, or the sage flavor is distinctive and ancient. The squash provides sweetness and substance. The stew is warm, comforting, deeply healing. 4. Women report hormonal balance returning after consistent consumption. Number 16. Beet and beet green stew. The blood purifier. Beets are the blood purifier of the plant kingdom. Thor. Beet greens add iron and minerals. Together they cleanse and rebuild the blood. Roast beets until tender. Add beet greens, onion, garlic, broth. The stew becomes deep magenta. Thor. The color itself indicates healing. One bowl begins purifying the blood. Toxins are released. Iron is restored. The body remembers what clean, healthy blood feels like. Number 17. Thor. Elisha's prophet stew. The strength restorer. In 2 Kings 4, Elisha ate a stew that gave him supernatural strength. Scripture doesn't give the exact recipe, but the principle is clear. Thor. Certain stew combinations unlock human potential. Combine barley, lentils, chickpeas, bone broth, herbs. Let it simmer for hours. The longer cooking time allows all nutrients to meld. Thor. The resulting stew is incredibly dense with nutrition. One bowl of prophet stew provides energy for hours of physical or mental exertion. Athletes report improved performance. Thor. Workers report increased endurance. The ill report strength returning after weeks of eating this stew. Number 18. Bethany's guest stew. The feast stew. Thor. Martha of Bethany would have served stew to guests. A stew so good, so healing, that people came back for more. We can imagine what this stew contained. Thor. Combine expensive spices like cinnamon and cloves. Add meat like lamb. Root vegetables like carrots and parsnips. Dried fruit like dates and apricots. The stew becomes a feast in a bowl, celebratory, or healing. Proof that medicine can also taste like celebration. One bowl reminds people that healing is a joyful act. Number 19. The crucifixion stew, the compassionate medicine. Thor. Before crucifixion, Jesus was offered wine mixed with myrrh, a pain-relieving potion. While not technically a stew, the principle shows that compassionate medicine alleviates suffering. Thor. We can honor this by making stew designed for pain relief. Combined anti-inflammatory herbs like turmeric, ginger, boswellia. Add pain-relieving spices like cinnamon and cloves. Create a stew designed to reduce suffering. One bowl takes the edge off pain, reduces inflammation, brings peace back to the body. Number 20. The resurrection stew, the full restoration. 4. Combine all principles from previous stews, bone broth foundation, multiple proteins, anti-inflammatory spices, mineral-rich vegetables, detoxifying herbs. The resulting stew is complete medicine. Thor. One bowl provides complete nutrition, complete anti-inflammatory action, complete detoxification, restoration. After eating resurrection stew, people report feeling reborn. Thor. Energy restored, clarity returned. Body functioning at optimal capacity. This is the stew of full restoration. So here's what you've learned: 20 biblical stews, each one healing. Thor. Each one makeable in your own kitchen, each one capable of transforming health, not in supplements, not in pills, but in the simplest ancient method, slow simmering bodent cooking. Thor. Ancestral wisdom applied. Now here's my question for you. Which of these 20 stews will you make first? Will you start with the foundation stew like lentils, building your healing gradually, Thor? Or will you jump to the most powerful stew like resurrection stew, taking the full healing now, Thor? Drop your answer in the comments. Because I'm building a community of people who understand that food is medicine, and medicine is love, Thor. Smash that like button if this video changed how you think about healing, Thor. Subscribe to this channel and ring that notification bell, because we're showing you how to turn your kitchen into a healing sanctuary, where every meal is medicine, where every bowl restores, Thor, where food becomes the most powerful healing tool on earth. And remember, the most powerful healing isn't in any pharmacy. It's simmering on your stove. It's waiting in your kitchen. It's ready to restore you, starting today.